Friends, hello everyone. Went fishing with Michael today. We will catch a pike. Try again in these places. While the season is going on with us. The next fishing will probably be a carp already, and right now we will try to catch a pike. Whether today something changeable again. Well, don't know, let's hope. That cool will still be. Give start for the boat. Trying out here swimming. Throw. Let's get started. Dad. Yeah. First bite. Like nothing, good pike. Hit her right in the mouth, you can tell. Well, basically not that. Not major. Yes, small. Well, first bite. Cute pike. Oh well, what will we catch? Everything is already fine. Well, here's something pike today, not active straight. I say probably change of weather. Out what clouds? We have that heat. Then the cloud here begins. Stood the heat all week fucking. Fishing, let's go. Some clouds went out. Here she is, here she stands. Here petty, of course. Here she is. Places. Here was one tick for now. The breeze of course drives me. Well, let's hope nothing will happen after all now. Bite. Well, here. Moving. Going to another place. Got out of the boat. Uncomfortable on the boat, the breeze drives. Out what clouds? Circle. Okay, right now I will try here. Tree was catching before this. I hope I catch everything a little bit. Breeze wave. And probably can't be seen. Playing fish, not playing. She's good when it's quiet. Smooth and water. And the mirror is good to see then. Okay, right now I will try. Oh. On brakes. Something straight Tugan today with bites. Here is one more. Ooh. We'll go. Not major, of course, but nonsense, yes, as petty. We will hopefully maybe later. Last time, later began a large take. Let's keep it going. Didn't get it. Hooked up something. Sat down and does not twitch, haha. Came off. Gathering. So what will be here? Actually interesting. Some bursts, some animation. There is generally silence. Maybe it will be even more interesting here. Here may power. Here let finally but. Maybe something will be taken. Inactivity today, pike inactive. Yes, weather change. Second time I get. She loves when she stands. Weather constant. Where they're usually standing heat. She isn't catfished. And here's something we have here, rain. Something cloudy here. Pressure changes. Ha ha. Well, you are small. Cutting straight grabbed near here shore. Yeah. Decided to scare me. Malek. So well, what? There will be no drummers. Yes, with mom today. Ha ha. Here he is right near the shore. Hey. Near the shore straight grabbed, ha ha. Well, yes, again the cutlet is small. Yes, what is? There is no cool at all. I be so would say. 3 small caught on gathering still. Well, let 3 more pieces. Well, we will see everything now. Leaving. Oh, you well here through there under the other side. And immediately tick. What is going on there with us? Petty, not petty. Not gonna understand. Here is. Yeah, not major either. Also small. Yes, what about the tail? I understand all the petty. Well, what is it at all? Trivia. Sorry, of course. Yeah. Definitely got there. On the other side and bite. So well, something like not bad. Here she stands along the shore. You need to throw right under the bank under that. Better than those were. But also not giant. Here is such. A little more interesting. And everything small. Last time I had a bigger one. Okay, let's still leave. Try. Inactive, she stands here all in the grass. You get here right there, under the other side. Here it is again, oop. Here we have burst, she takes. Near the shore stands. Okay, we will continue. Slowly. Is caught. The only thing is not happy with the sizes. Something hooked something. Well, here's this little cherry. Today they are all small. Yeah. Here you go and let go. Generally small. Of course, I don't know what he has here with his gills. A man. Go go. Petty something petty today, Pike. Oh. Don't know. And so something bad takes something and still small. Even though there's a normal pike here. Village kilo 1.5. Oh. Bear well first. And the small one got caught. On this one. Ha ha ha, are you even a baby? Niazuric. Pike eat we will catch. Pike is. Oh, what again? Little thing or something. Small. On Uzuric again, petty. Yeah. Second already. And there are large jumps. Yes, takes nothing. Yeah. Oh, look how infested. Yes, look. How are they in different directions? Oh, look how much. Well, out there dead lying still see. Here he is dead Karas. Yes, normal bottom. There's a lot of grass here. Let the bait stand to leave. Oh, look, Mish, how much? Water clean. Oh. Karas went. Yeah. And there are no pikes means, and at home pike. Jumps.